Hello and welcome to our coronavirus classroom. Today, just for science, we planted these. What were these plants, guys?
Tomatoes.
Okay, and so we learned a little bit about the germination process by planting the tomato plants. It actually wasn't that long ago. We planted them like 2-3 days ago. Today, we're using the scientific method and loosely. And the reading strategy chart, the making meaning, I put it up on the Facebook page and the YouTube channel. But we're making an inference as to what's below the soil. We're drawing a poster, which we're basically breaking the plant down into its different parts. So we've got the roots, and we've got the stem, we've got the leaves, and we've got the flower. We've differentiated the instruction because we've got lower L kids working with upper L kids. And the expectation at the lower end is for them to get basically the seeds, the stem, the leaves, the flowers, and understand that the plant produces its own food. In fourth grade, however, we kind of expect them to understand that photosynthesis occurs. We haven't really gotten much into that so far yet today, but we have gotten into quite a bit. But the sun's rays come down and it'll help the plant take the sugars and nitrogens and turn them into food. We're not getting into that as much as we are identifying the plant parts. So we have these tomatoes here. We have these ones here. I think I started these ones a little while longer ago, but we're not going to rip those ones out. I would recommend having,
Get that one back.
not recommending going outside, but I am recommending that you find your least favorite house plant or something. Certainly not recommending going outside, but then when they have their root diagrams drawn, they can get their hands in and see what's actually in, or what kind of roots are created. This is just grass from our front lawn. And there's different kinds of roots in there, so it's kind of this part of the experiment is uncontrolled. But we did talk about the difference between, say, a carrot being a taproot and this being a fibrous root, and what part of the plant produces the most oxygen, or what it does produce as a producer. So usually we would include this in either the reading portion or the science, math, you name it. This connects with everything. These seeds have to be 1/4 of an inch under the soil. This all kind of comes together in this process, and that's what we've done today. And when they're done, we've incorporated the writing process too. They're just kind of introducing it, especially on the earlier elementaries. We're using it as our first draft, so if we make a mistake, we can replace it and start over. And we'll put our final copy onto that paper there, and when we're done, that'll be a nice, neat, quick, easy, fun lesson that you can do at home. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day and stay safe.